Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Traverse key fob. First, ensure you have all your key fobs ready, including any new ones. This process requires them all to be present to be programmed simultaneously. Also, make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can interfere with the programming sequence. This method is effective for many Traverse models, providing a reliable way to get your fobs working. To begin, ensure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed before proceeding. Next, insert a working, already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then quickly turn it off 2 times. This specific sequence should activate the vehicle's programming mode, which is typically indicated by a chime or a message appearing on your dashboard display. Now, take the key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Continue holding these buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You will know it's successful when the vehicle's doors lock and then unlock, confirming the fob has been programmed. Repeat this exact step for every other key fob you need to program. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key back to the on position. This action will save all the newly programmed key fobs to your vehicle system. Once out of programming mode, it's crucial to test each key fob individually to ensure they all function correctly, locking and unlocking the doors as expected. If any fob doesn't work, you may need to repeat the process. Also, for some great reading on the go, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.